Hi guys, my name's Anna and today we are gonna keep talking about trading and today we are gonna pretend to be a complete beginners at trading and we are gonna try to make some profit without using any indicators, using just our brains, our knowledge and our technical analysis. Let's start as usual with setting our platform the way we like it. At first, we are gonna choose as many assets as possible to fit in the screen, and always remember to choose assets with the biggest payout. Right now it's 92%, so to choose an asset you just have to click this little stars right here. The next one, we are gonna use candles for 30 seconds, and please make sure that you enable all the tumblers right here. And as I already said, we are not gonna use any indicators today because we are gonna try to make profitable deals using only the information that we can see on our screens. And we are going to use time frame for 1 minute, and we're going to start today with a $150. Let's begin and let's find the most suitable. Okay, so I think I'm gonna choose this asset, and as you can see, I put the price higher, and let's have a look exactly why I made that decision, guys. So when we work with technical analysis, we can pay attention to a lot of different things. The first one is we can pay attention to our candles and the tails that they have. For example, I decided to put the price higher right here. Why did I do that? You can see that we have this tail right here, and it means that they checked the price lower and it didn't fit them, and the price is going to be higher, and this is exactly what was happening. And as you can see, guys, we have the first profitable deal for today, but you can see that the market is a little bit unstable, and I think using this asset we can put the price lower. And the first time we used this type of technical analysis as candles. So right now I put the price lower, and let's talk about why. So as you can see, the market can go in some sort of curves and lines. So for example, you can see that right now the price is going lower, so we're working towards our big minimum. And also we can pay attention to curves. So as you can see right here on this part of the market, we saw that the price went higher and it reached its maximum, and it was supposed to go lower, and that is exactly what happened, guys. Amazing, the second profitable deal for us today. So let's choose another asset and let's try. I think this is a great example. So let's put the price higher and let's talk about why I decided to do this. At first we are gonna have a look at our candle right here. So you can see this long wick of a candle or tail of a candle that goes down. What it means that at some point the price was going to be at this level, but for some reasonable things it wasn't acceptable for the guys on the market, and the price ended up to be in this range. So it means that it's not gonna go lower from that point, and it was supposed to go only higher, but you can see that the market is a little bit unstable. Like the price was growing, but then this little week told us that the price is gonna go lower, and this is what happened, guys. We lost This happens when you trade. The market can be unstable even if you use technical analysis and indicator. Okay guys, we are gonna try to cover up the loss that we had, and we're gonna use Martingale strategy and put the price twice up. So we're gonna bid $300, and we're gonna put the price lower, and I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see the situation on the market. So let's talk about why I decided to put the price lower using technical analysis so we could have some real profit, guys. As you can see, I have this kind of situation. So I have two deals coming on the lower, and as you can see, we're winning from both of them. And I think, yes guys, we are having our it's our third profitable deal for today. So let me explain why that happened. So as you can see, the market tends to go in this kind of curves, and after reaching this little resistance zone right here, you can see two candles that are on the same level. It was only so reasonable that the price is gonna go lower, and this is exactly what's happening, guys, right here. So, okay guys, after we successfully covered up our loss, I think it's time to move on and trade some more. So I think we're gonna choose this asset. So I'm gonna put the price higher, and let's talk about why I made that decision. So as I was saying, when you are a complete beginner, it can be really hard to use different indicators, because you have to understand they work or what they show, and at the beginning of your path it can be really stressful and overwhelming. It's a lot of information to remember when you make the decision to go higher or lower. So it's really important to learn technical analysis and different ways how you can analyze the market. So as you can see, the market is a little bit unstable. Like, we are about to have our profitable deal, but at the same time the price can go lower at any second. It happens. But yes guys, we had our profitable deal. Let me explain why. So you can see that the market kind of goes in flows, in curves, and it was only so logical that after a big reach high right here, the price is gonna go down, and it's exactly what happened, guys. Let's keep trading and let's keep making some profit. I think from this point the price is gonna go lower, and let's actually talk about technical analysis and why I made that decision. So if we zoom out a little bit, you can see that for quite a time in this area of the market, the price was kind of stable. It wasn't going out from this zone. You can see that the candles are not really tall, and the range of the price wasn't really so. And right after that, as you can see right here, the price suddenly decided to go up. And it's only so logical that after this big going high, the price is gonna go lower. And again, as you can see, the price is kind of wavering by this tail. You can see that they were testing the price higher, and actually, guys, as you can see, we lost. And it's actually sad, but we're gonna stay focused, and we're not gonna let our emotions control us, and we're gonna keep trading in hopes that we can cover up the loss that we had. And how are we gonna do that? Well, we are gonna use Martingale strategy, and we are gonna double up the amount of money that we are gonna bid. I think it's so you can see the market is a little bit unstable right now. They don't know whether to put the price higher or lower, and okay, I think I'm gonna put the price lower right here. And let's talk about why I decided to make this decision. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see the situation on the market. So as you can see right here, the price is kind of being stable, and actually you can see that we have this resistance zone right here. So if you pay attention closely to this part of the market, you can see that clearly it's a resistance zone, and once at the moment where the price reached this zone at this point right here, it's only so logical that the price is gonna go lower, and this is exactly what's going on, guys. And in a second we're gonna have our profit, and yes, that's one more profitable deal for today, guys. I think it's so amazing, and as you can see, if you stay focused and you keep trading using technical analysis, it's really easy to cover up the losses that you have. So I hope that I could help you today and show you that trading on this platform and using technical analysis can be really easy, and it's really helpful, and you can make some real profit, guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. So bye bye.